Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how you can repair an emergency light. This emergency light is made in all supermarkets, in industry, maybe at home. Is an emergency light. We have inside a lithium battery. This is from 2017, but don't work. And wasn't installed. Just in the box, and maybe the battery is discharging. What we must do in the first, we must pull out the cover. I think I need a screwdriver. Or no. So, this is the lamp. So, this is the LED bar. Here inside we have a plug with the battery. Need to disconnect it. And let's extract the battery and make a measurement. I use my multimeter. What we have here, we have DC current 3.9, but I'm sure this battery is old and don't keep the current. So what we need to do, we need to replace the battery. Here said 2017, it's an old one. I think I tried to disconnect these wires, and I think we can weld another one. I have many batteries here, so let's figure out. So I have one from a laptop. Let's measure it. .4 volt and 13 millivolt. Let's see if we can weld this back, but in the first I think we need another tool to arrange little these sides. I take my spot welder. I think that I have the power from 1 to 11. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The red wire I will weld to the positive. I think I need a little more power. It's pretty good. And now let's weld also the negative power. Two, three, 4. So I weld here, I weld here. Let's try to put it back. Let's try it. Oh, it's working. Low, high. Put the cover back. And it's finished. So we have high, off and low. Now it's working. We fix it.